Hello students, good morning to you, and today is my ninth online lecture classes of class 9 Geography chapter 2 Physical Features of India. And as I already told you about the major physiographic divisions of India, that one of the features that is peninsular plateau. That peninsular plateau, I told you yesterday that it is divided into two parts, Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Now today I told you one of the part of the Peninsular Plateau, that is the about Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. The Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat marks the Western and Eastern Deccan Plateau respectively. Western Ghat lie parallel to the western coast and they are continuous and can be across through passes only. Now one thing that is important to know, that what are the differences between the Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. Western Ghat lies on the western coast part of India and Eastern Ghat lies in the eastern coast of India. Western Ghat, it is higher than the Eastern Ghat and average elevation means average height is 900 to 1600 meters, यानी कि औसत ऊंचाई वेस्टर्न घाट की औसत ऊंचाई 900 से 1600 मीटर की है एंड इट इज रेगुलर एंड कंटिन्यूअस. वेस्टर्न कोस्ट में जो इसका स्वरूप है बिल्कुल सीधा है और लगातार है एंड इट्स हाईएस्ट पिक्स आर अनायमुदी and Doda Beta. The height of the Anaimudi is 2655 meter, 2695 meter, and the height of the Doda Beta is 2637 meter. Now say about the Eastern Ghat. Eastern Ghat is lower than the Western Ghat. Okay, it is lower than the Western Ghat. Okay, its average elevation is 600 meter. It is discontinuous and irregular. Okay, and Mahendragiri is the highest peak of the Eastern Ghat, and Ooty is the famous hill station of the Eastern Ghat. Ooty is also known as Udaga Mandalam in that region. Okay, now say one of the features of the Peninsular Plateau is the black soil area that is known as Deccan Trap. Okay, it's black soil regions that is known as Deccan Trap due to the black soil areas. This is of the volcanic origin. इसकी उत्पत्ति ज्वालामुखी के फटने से हुई है, जिसमें जो लावा है ठंडा होकर के igneous rocks के रूप में फॉर्म हो गया, and by its denudation it changed into black soil and are responsible for the formation of black soil. Next one thing is about the Peninsular Plateau is the Aravalli Hill lies the western and northwestern margin of the Peninsula Plateau. These can be highly eroded hills and found as the Broken Hills, a chain of the Broken Hills of Aravalli Range, that is from the Gujarat to Delhi in the southwest and northeast direction. Okay, now today is enough. Okay, thank you students. Tomorrow I told you about the Indian deserts and coastal plains. Thank you. Okay.